When thunder roared in ancient Greece, people knew Zeus was angry. When earthquakes shook, they blamed Poseidon. But when someone sneezed, that was a direct message from the gods themselves. These ancient Greeks believed each sneeze was a divine signal, a moment when the gods literally spoke through your nose. They'd stop important meetings, pause battles, and even delay trials just because someone sneezed. Next time you hear, "bless you," remember, you're carrying on a tradition that had ancient warriors dropping their swords and philosophers pausing mid-debate, all because they thought the gods were trying to get their attention through a simple achoo.